So.
Okay.
Pretty balanced on this footing.
Yeah.
I like this one.
So do I. That was pretty. And that makes me feel better though that you say that too. So stop laughing.
Huh?
So stop laughing.
Stop laughing.
Stop laughing so my headache can go away.
Your headache?
Hey, Maryland bread?
It's along those lines. It's thing is a 2-punch.
Oh, nicely bred, though.
Yeah. Of course, if I had an iPhone,
Smoke
I could.
blackened?
Yes, smoke blackened. Yep. I wasn't sure if, now that he's with a group of friends, if he would be kind of like, oh, needy.
No, he's
But he obviously doesn't really care.
no.
Like, we just see him in the spring.
Mm.
A few pounds on him.
Well, Ilka would be good because she'd turn him out for a while.
Yeah,
And,
yeah.
like, let him be down.
Ugh.
He's a pretty smart boy. But, that Nick horse is a top quality horse, that Chestnut.
Yeah, he's a nice horse. We actually had his full brother at our rescue. They look identical. His full brother is down in Carolina as a fox hunter.
Yeah. And I went out on a paper chase with him with that mare. That was part of the problem.
He's just going to get fit. Just, get on